In Writer's Workshop today, we're going to talk about generating ideas. And one of the ways that writers generate ideas is they write about something they know about. Have you ever watched a cartoon where one of the characters gets a light bulb above their head? Well, I want you to imagine that writers also have a little light bulb that pops up above their head. And I want you to think about a light bulb that's popping up over your head right now. And there are some things that you know a lot about. And so when a writer knows about something, they can use that to create a story. So whatever topic they choose, if they have a lot of information, then they can give their readers lots and lots of information, numerous details, and insight into something that you may not know about because it's something that they knew about. So today I want you to think about, what is something I know about? Well, I'm different than you. So some things I know about are kids. I know a lot about kids. I know a lot about boys because I have boys. So I also know a lot about books. I love to read and I like to go to bookstores, and I know a lot about books. Some other things I know a lot about are, this is kind of silly and kind of boring, and I probably would never write about this, but making beds. It seems like I'm making the beds all the time, or cleaning house, so I know a lot about that. Now, if I turned to you and I said, now, do you know a lot about books and bookstores? Well, you may not know a lot about that. So that wouldn't be something that you would write in your light bulb. But there might be something that you know about. Perhaps you know a lot about Paw Patrol, or maybe you know a lot about a different type of toy or a sport. It really doesn't matter. Everyone's different, and we all have some things that we know about. So I want you to use this page, a copy of this page printed off, or you can just draw a picture of a light bulb if you want. And I want you to come up with 3 to 5 things that you know a lot about. All right, good luck coming up with some ideas.